Hey everyone, this is Joe over at S17, and today I'm going to do a little two-color sample of the TexTack material, the foil adhesive. So I'm going to do something pretty simple just to see how well it works. So let's choose a heart here, and I'm going to make this kind of small, maybe 2.75 inches wide, and then I'm going to do a little contour around it. Let's go with something like that. A little thicker like that. And do something like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to send this over to the cutter and cut the TexTack material. And we'll see how it looks with the two color. We'll do the inside one color foil, and then we'll do the outside another color foil and see how well it looks. So we'll send this over to the cutter. Usually you would take this and you mirror it. But since it's a heart, it's kind of symmetrical, so you can't really tell that I flipped it around. I'm going to go to the cut window here, and then we'll measure our material and send it to the cutter.
Okay, now that we've cut the TexTack material, I'm going to show you, here it is. It's very easy to see the lines in this after we cut it. So we're going to go ahead and weed this material out, and it's super easy. It weeds really nicely. So we're going to take this, throw that away, and then I'm going to come in here and peel this piece away. So there we go, we're left with this. And I made two versions of these because one I'm going to do one demonstration, and then I cut another one so I can do another demonstration. So for the two color foil, what I did was I actually just took some scissors and I cut right here where these lines are. So now I have two pieces. So I have the inside, and I could have cut two different pieces if I didn't want to waste my time cutting it. I could have cut two different pieces, the inside and the outside, but I figured why not just cut one and use the whole thing. So I cut this right out of here, which is perfectly fine. So I'll use this for another example, and I'll use this for the two color one. So next, let's go ahead and press. Okay, so I've cut a couple pieces of foil. For one, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do, but I think I'll do this on the inside. It's like a blue, watery looking one, and then I have this holographic star one. It's a gold star. So what I'll do is I'll press the heart here, and then I'll use the blue, and then I'll press the outline of it, and I'll do that with the gold. So we'll give that a try and see how well it works. So I'll put this aside. Alrighty. And so just remember that, you know, I'm putting the TexTack material face down. So that's what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and put that. Actually, you know what? We'll go ahead and do it the opposite way. I'll do the outside first, just so that way I can center this a little better. So I'll put that down here, cover this, and then we just want to tack this down for like a good 5 seconds or so at 300 degrees. And then I just want to give it a second. So this material, I like to peel it warm. And you can't really see it much, but there's a little bit of gloss on it right there, if you can see that. So now what I'm going to do is, for the outside, I want to do this gold. So I'm going to go ahead and put the gold down over it. Cover it back up. This one I'm going to hit somewhere between 5 and 10 seconds, so I have the timer set to 10 seconds. So when you peel the foil, it has to be a cold peel. So you could either let it cool itself. I'm going to put this against something cold, like I have my laser engraver right here. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the cooling process by applying this metal I'm applying it to this piece of metal here on the side. That's going to cool it off a lot quicker than letting it sit in the air. So now I'm going to go ahead and peel this off here. So here we go. And this is still a nice big piece. I can use this for other things, wherever there's the gold on there. So I can still reuse, you know, these corners or the center part here for something else. So far we have a nice outline. So that looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to take the center part of the heart, which is this piece here, and I'm going to place this down in the center. Try to center a little bit as much as I can. Okay, so now what I want to do here is press this one for another 5 seconds. And then let this warm a little, or let it cool off a little bit, not too much. I'm going to peel this off. So now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little gloss to it again. And now I want to put this blue stuff down here. So I'm going to apply that over that, and we'll see if this works. Press this for another 10 seconds. Okay, same thing, we want to let this cool, so I'm going to speed up the process by pressing it against my laser engraver over here. Okay, and so if all went well, we should only have the foil sticking to the center part of it. And there you go. So we have this nice two foil color heart. We have a nice outline with holographic stars and the center side. So hope this helps you guys with some ideas.